All right, so I just showed you how to whiten eyes. This image, as you know, it has not been retouched, but just to show you the eyes whitening process that I just explained. I'm going to create a stem visible layer, Control Shift Alternate E, create a stem visible layer, and let's get rid of this one. You can actually save it as as a preset, this one. So but as an action, sorry. So like this, color fill, this one, just follow the process and save it as an action. So delete. Now let's look at how to work on the eyes. I want to create eyelashes for her. So we have a lot of brush. I'm going to click on the brush, select your brush, and under the meet retouch you're going to see some brush. If you can't see it, let me know. So I by Jesus, sorry, I think I selected this particular brush. So you can see different type of brush. Let's use a particular one. This for the down one. Let's use this one up. Okay, so now I'm going to start with this one. Let's click the first layer. You're going to select an empty layer, and then you can see that the brush is not even this is a left brush. Now if I take the brush away, it's black. If I take it close, it becomes white. Now it's telling you that, oh yes, it's it sizes the eyes. So but one thing, you just need to use your arrow key and rotate it. See, I can press it down, take it backwards and rotate. So you're going to rotate and just make it bigger. I can make it bigger like this. You can make it smaller. So look at the way the eyelashes is. If it's smaller, you are good to go. So I think this is best. If you make it bigger, it's going to be too big, but let's make it bigger since it's showing white. Click on it once, make sure your foreground color is black. It depends on the color you want to use. So you can see that you can make it smaller and then on it again. So make it smaller and then on it again. So if you want to do it like that, oh fine for you. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. You can do undo, Ctrl Z, and give it just 3. And let's say this is what we want. So after doing that, we want to put for the second eyes. You can grab another one and probably look for the brush. You can look for the blush eyelash 4, but I think you're not going to see the exact one. So if you want to use this one continually, this one we just use, it's very easy. Once you do that, you can, since you use this settings, make it bigger. Let's make it bigger. So this is the setting we use for this one. You're going to come to this eyes, and once it shows black, you're going to place it once, make it smaller, place it again, just like the way you did this one. Now what you need to do is to go back, go to edit, transform, and then you're going to flip it horizontally. So flip it horizontally and you're going to have this one. So now you're going to bring it to the eyes and rotate. Let's rotate it till we get that but I guess the eyes is not the same, so take it upwards like this. Hold down Control to have full control. Now let's say this is what we have right now. I can increase, remember, take this backwards. So let's say we have it like this, and we can also do the same for this one, you know, increase, holding down Shift and making it size. Now it's not fitting yet, we need to fit it. So we go to edit, go to transform, you go to distort or screw, whichever one, but I like using distort because it just gives me what I want. So let's take it downwards like this and bring it to something like this. Take it upwards right here, take this one. So whichever one you want to use is, it's fine. Okay, sometimes screw will do it. So if I do that, I can still go back, go to transform, go to screw. So screw will just, you know, make you, okay, Ctrl Z, shift it back. Let's look for the perfect one. Transform, distort, screw, wrap, wrap, transform, I think it's wrap. So you go inside, you mess around, with it like this. You can even, you know, bring this place up, go inside, bring this place up. So that's for the first one. You can see the way it looks, so before and after, which is okay for me. I'm just gonna drag it and place it somewhere here. Okay, let's say that's what we want, and we can go ahead and do the same for this one. Go to edit, transform, and go to wrap transform, and we're going to make it look, yep, do something like this. Take this outside and make it look okay, and bring this up a little. So let's say this is what we want. It's okay, and after that you can see the eyelashes. Now go back, choose the brush. Let's choose a downward brush now. So this is a downward brush. Number 2 also is a downward brush. Let's use downward brush 4. Let's see if 6. Okay, let's use 6 downward brush. The same thing, use this button and rotate it. Please, you need to select the perfect one. If this doesn't fit in, so I think this one doesn't fit, Ctrl Z. Let's choose the downward brush 3. Yeah, so let's use this one. I'm going to take it, make it bigger, and I'm going to rotate, so something like this, and place it on top. Let's do it twice. 2. I'm just doing it 2 times. Let's just even do it once, and sorry, create a new layer for it, and then paste, create another new layer, and then let's make this one a little bit bigger, and then paste on a new layer. Right, now go to edit, let's go to wrap transform, take it and bring the middle, bring it up, bring this downwards, just make it size. First of all, where's the one? Okay, the one there is right here, and bring this right here. And bring this downwards. Okay, so you just need to keep, all right, so let's say that's okay for the first one. Second one, oh sorry, we didn't invert it, sorry. Ctrl Z, let's redo that for the new layer. No wonder. So now you go to image, transform. I'm going to flip it horizontal, and then click the move to rotate. Okay, so once you rotate, you're going to go to edit, transform, wrap transform, and you know what to do. Just quickly, make a settings one, take this one middle. So let's just leave it right here. Take this one, you already know how it is, so balance it very well, and you have that. And this one, go to edit, transform, wrap transform, and bring this backwards, take this upwards. All right, so take this downwards. When it looks good, it looks good. So we can use that one, and now it's very easy. You can see our eyes. Let's group everything together, control, and you can duplicate, Ctrl J, and make it look very real and very good. You can as well as get hue and saturation, clip it to the group, change the hue, but it's black, colorize, still black. Okay, I think because of this down one. All right, so it's still black. Let's undo that. If I were you, I'll use the solid color adjustment. It's okay, clip it to it, yeah, because I want to change the color, and take it up, boom. So that trick should work. Wow. Okay, so you can use red, you can use any color you want to use, purple, blue. All right, so that's how to fix that one. And one good thing about it is it's very easy to fix. So I'm gonna group these two together and quickly see our before and then our after, before and then our after. So fixing of eyelashes can be so easy. All you just need to do is to get the right brush. We can have big brush size, so we have I have other brushes apart from this one. I have some brush that are big, this extreme lashes, for example. This one, you can see this all this, oh, this one are for like extreme makeup. Let's make it smaller. It's for the left eyes, and rotate, make it big. Let's just do it anyway. So we have it like this. Sometimes it's good for straight portrait, but I don't like using this one. The one I like using is the first one, and this one, this SS lashes. So this one has a close, you see it has open, close to, close left. It already have right and left, but I don't like the way it is. See, it's not looking real to me. The close left 3, half left. So this one has 2 layer, half left, the top part, and low left open. So this is the top part, which is like this, and you can see how blurry it is. It's just not real like the first one. So I prefer the first one than these other ones, although this one has many functions. So definitely you're going to see the good ones there. All right, so depends on the way you are using it. See, it also gives you the same result. So Ctrl Z. So that's how to use the eyelash tool. Very important, very important. So that's how to apply eyelashes that is not actually there. All right, guys, let me quickly